Very good morning. My name is Sridhar. I am the digital real estate specialist and coach. I'm also the business owner of Remax Ace Reality, which is located in Baswangudi, Bangalore. I designated myself as a digital real estate specialist and coach after this COVID-19 situation erupted. It was during this time I discovered that I need to adapt quickly to the digital world, and when I came into the digital world, it is an amazing experience that I have. So now I'm working on a mission to make sure that at least about 100,000 real estate agents are made as digital real estate experts. So this is what I have my mission right now. So in this journey, what I've done already is about conducted at least in the last 2 months about eight such training programs, maybe 8 to 10. I don't remember exactly the number, but I'm very sure that close to around 2,000 people have already come and got trained from me that how they can become digitally strong. And I have given this training program absolutely free. You know, Post this free training, I give them an opportunity to get associated with me either as a business associate in Remax, where they continue their journey with me for the next 1 year, or they can get into my mentorship program and get their specific properties or certain projects that they are into. They want some solutions for that. Then they get into a mentorship program for a brief period, and then once they find a solution to that, they can walk away from me. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. And what do I do in mentorship program? I keep this mentorship program at 5:30 a.m. in the morning, for the simple reason that that is the time that where you can actually learn something. And the habit of learning, you will get habituated to it after that, and every day you will start waking up at 4:30 if you start doing this. When do I do this mentorship program? I do this on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And how long do I do that? I do it for one hour, but sometimes it extends up to 1.5 hours, depending on the sensitivity of the case on that particular day. It goes on, and the duration. The people who have joined with me in Remax as business associate are undergoing this program for next 1 year. It is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Religiously, I conduct this program. So there are people who have attended this program and then asked me, can you please give me some details about this mentorship program? And it is for this simple reason that I've taken this video. So I want to tell you that what do I do in this mentorship program? Let's take a simple example of developers who have joined me. Okay, about four developers who have joined me, and one of them is continuing as a business associate with me. When he joined as a developer, he realized that after going through the program, he felt that he should continue his relationship with me forever. So he joined as a Remax business associate, and he's continuing with me right now. The other two members are also in the same bracket now. The other two people came with a problem that they have certain projects which is under construction, and it did not go through because of fund issue and all such things. They had problems, and then I could provide them a wonderful solution for them. And through that solution, they have been able to find progress in what they have been doing. So all along, they got stuck in a particular place, and they thought that the life was gone. I mean, the project is over almost, and they didn't know how to move forward because of lack of finance. So when the solution was given, immediately a bulb was lit in their mind, and then they implemented the solution that I had given, and they found a fantastic partner who is coming forward to invest in their project, and the project is going on. If that solution was not given, perhaps that person would not have been able to continue further. So like this, another issue somebody had, one of the developer had in Goa was that he had a project, but it was an orchard project, meaning something like agricultural land and all that, and getting approval for that has been a big issue for them. So he came with this problem to me, and I was able to provide him a solution which he felt it was wonderful, and he is working on that, and he has been able to gain some momentum on the solution that I have provided to him, and he is now working, and he has become my business associate now. Although he is a developer himself, he has got 4 or 5 different verticals doing. In spite of that, he felt that I should become a business associate of Remax, and that's why he is continuing with me. Okay, so invariably they find a lot of value that is being given to them, and I'm able to give this value addition to them mainly because of my 18 years of experience in the real estate industry, and I have personally seen success from almost zero income to having built a very big empire in the industry. So with this kind of a background, I introduced this mentorship program. I hope I've given some clarity about this. In detail, if you want to get more details about this, you are welcome to come and have a one-to-one discussion with me. Otherwise, this should be good enough to give you some clarity on what I'm planning to do, what I'm doing and all that. I can tell you, if you go to my channel, YouTube channel, you can find different testimonials there, people coming and saying that, people with 12 years of experience in the past, they said that, after joining the mentorship program, they have been able to double up their business. Their activity has increased, and site visits have increased, results have increased, conversions are happening faster. All these things are happening because of the systems and processes that I introduced in the mentorship program. So if you have a problem, if you are a developer, or if you are a real estate agent finding not able to move forward, you don't know what to do about the properties that you're holding, or if you are an agent, if you're not able to get results during this period because of the current pandemic situation and all that, don't worry, you come and join my mentorship program, and you will find that you will get tremendous value in the program. Thank you so much. Thanks for hearing this video, watching this video, and look forward to seeing you soon. If you like this video, just do one thing, put your comments below, and if you have any questions on this video, you can also post those questions in the comment box, and when I see it, I will probably introduce another video and send it to you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.